Did you know inflammation is your body's first line of defense, but if it lingers too long, it can turn against you and cause disease? The good news is plants have powerful natural compounds called phytochemicals that can help calm harmful inflammation. Welcome to Resai Nutri, where nature meets smart nutrition. What is inflammation? Inflammation is the body's way of fighting against infections, healing injuries, and protecting tissues. The classic signs are redness, heat, swelling, pain, and sometimes loss of function. While short-term inflammation is protective, chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Types of inflammation. Acute inflammation is a quick, short-term response to injury or infection. Chronic inflammation develops slowly and persists long-term, as seen in arthritis and diabetes. Granulomatous is a chronic condition with granulomas like tuberculosis and leprosy. Local inflammation is confined to one area like appendicitis. Systemic inflammation spreads throughout the body in conditions like sepsis and autoimmune disease. How phytochemicals work? Phytochemicals are bioactive compounds found in fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. They reduce harmful inflammation in three main ways: antioxidant action. They neutralize free radicals that trigger inflammation. Blocking inflammatory pathways, compounds like curcumin in turmeric or resveratrol in grapes down-regulate NF-kappa B and COX-2, key drivers of inflammation. Balancing the immune response. It helps in lowering pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and while boosting protective ones. Examples of anti-inflammatory foods. Some everyday foods rich in anti-inflammatory phytochemicals include: turmeric and ginger are powerful natural spices with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Berries and grapes provide a rich supply of flavonoids and resveratrol, supporting cellular protection. Leafy greens and broccoli are abundant in carotenoids and glucosinolates, helping the body combat oxidative stress. Beetroots stand out for their high content of betalains, known for reducing inflammation. Green tea offers a potent dose of catechins, which protect against cellular damage. Even everyday herbs like rosemary and oregano carry unique compounds that naturally fight inflammation. Inflammation is a double-edged sword. It protects us but can also harm us if it persists. By adding more colorful and herbs into your daily diet, you are giving your body the phytochemicals it needs to heal, restore balance, and stay healthy. Nature has the cure coded in plants to unlock it with phytochemicals.